Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And this video I'm going to talk about how to download and install YouTube app on your iPhone. So let me directly get into a step. First one, you have to go over here, tap on the App Store. Now go over here in the search, type YouTube. Go for search. Now from here you have to scroll down and navigate to the YouTube. Tap on download icon. Wait for the download. Now, from here you can search and use all the kind of things on the YouTube, and this is how we can do this. I hope this quick video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye bye.